Hello, my name is Vernon, and today I'm going to talk about our range of FlexiFlow stainless steel convoluted flexible braided hoses. And yes, we stock these on the shelf ready for dispatch overnight. Because of their flexibility, these hoses are great for reducing mechanical vibration, compensating for expansion and contraction, or just misalignment in pipework. These hoses have a 316 stainless steel convoluted internal tube and an external 304 stainless steel braid. It's important to note that these do not have a rubber liner and they're 100% stainless. These hoses are designed and manufactured to handle high temperatures, pressures and vibrations, so they have a long lifespan. I see this tag on the side of the hose. It states some very important information, and it notes that each hose has been individually tested twice, both a hydro and a pneumatic test. We stock these hoses with various end connections such as triclover and RJT unions, BSP, flanges, rapid press, and also butt weld tube and pipe connections. But we can also custom fabricate any end connection you require. We stock these FlexiFlow hoses in diameters from 15 nominal bore right up to 100 nominal bore, and in lengths from 300mm right up to 1.5 meters long. The metal company also stocks flexible hoses that have a convoluted PTFE liner. It makes them more suitable for food and beverage applications and harsh chemicals. If you have any questions relating to FlexiFlow, now please get in touch with the crew at the metal company, because we make buying stainless steel easy.